guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly and welcome to day 4 of Halloween. Today we are doing Twilight Zone. So this one is pretty simple. So this one I'm actually gonna let y'all rock out and listen to the music and jam out. Basically I'm only using 2 colors, literally gray and black and white, well 3 colors, whatever. But yeah, basically it's just a whole bunch of lines and swirly lines and things of that nature. Also for my eyeshadow, I used 2 different eyeshadows. Like, this look is super easy, y'all. So also, this is the first video that I filmed with my brand new camera and lens. Let me know how you guys like the quality. I am loving it, and the other videos that you will see after this will be also filmed on my new camera. I will talk to you guys after Halloween is over. Don't worry, I have a video all about this camera, opening it, my review on it, all that other good stuff, because I'm just that type of person. And also, I thought I was doing something good with this clock on my chest that I'm repainting on there, but I actually did it backwards. And when I was trying to think in my head like the numbers backwards, I actually made it backwards on myself. Yeah, so just pretend it's not backwards. It's a Twilight Zone. Just, it's already, you know, everything's all funky over there anyway. But yeah, I'm really mad at Disney MGM, Hollywood Studios, whatever name they're going by these days, because they actually got rid of the Tower of Terror, and that was like one of my favorite rides. But yeah, let me know what's your favorite Twilight Zone episode in the comments below. Let's chat, and I will let you guys enjoy this video, and I will chat with you in the next one. Bye.